This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by closing Roblox and clearing other apps. This prevents conflicts. Next, open your control center or quick settings and make sure orientation lock is off. If it was on, turning it off lets the screen rotate. Once done, force quit Roblox and relaunch it so the app rereads the current sensor state. If rotation still fails, restart the phone to reset motion sensors and system services, because many rotation problems stem from temporary OS or sensor glitches. You now test inside the app. Open a game and switch to full screen or a mode that supports landscape to see if rotation happens. If it does not, gently tilt and rotate the device while watching for any screen movement. This calibrates the accelerometer in real use. Make sure Roblox and your device OS are updated, since app-to-system mismatches often cause orientation bugs. If you have a diagnostics tool, run the motion sensor check to confirm the accelerometer and gyroscope are reporting correctly. You finish by clearing the app's cache or reinstalling Roblox to eliminate corrupted settings that force portrait mode. This often resolves stubborn cases. Make sure to test a different app that uses rotation. If it works, the problem is app-specific. If not, it's system-level. If nothing fixes it, capture device model, OS version, and steps to reproduce, then contact Roblox support for targeted help. One key tip: record a short video of the issue to speed up diagnosis when you reach support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.